rupture their Achilles or tear their ACL, they build up to running again in a high-end underwater treadmill, where you can take out some water or add water to make it easier, take it out to make it harder and get more of your body weight in. And the way you do it in a pool, you can run at waist height. You just get resistance for your lower body, but you don't get any resistance for the upper body. I'm a huge fan of going to about shoulder level, which allows me to get the resistance for the upper body as well, because a lot of times bad running mechanics stem from really stiff arm action, but you get a lot of fluid contraction here going on. Initially, just start by marching. Work your marching mechanics, exhale up, inhale down, try to stick it all the way up. Again, the water unloads your body weight, but it also has movement to it. So it does create some unique stability demands that aren't on land. All right, just working that pattern. And then you can work on just kind of a jog. And then running in place. Now full range of motion, aggressive arm and leg action, getting the knees up. Now you can do it in place. Here's what I've created as the underwater treadmill. I have a sandbag, anything that would anchor you down to the ground, and any sort of double band setup. You're gonna put it hip level. This is gonna allow me to get more forward lean, which means more conducive to kind of forward action. That forward lean, especially coming off the blocks or the start, is critical. Usually sprinters, you notice, they get a lot of initial lean, and then once they reach top speed, they come more upright. And that's where the recoil of the hamstring starts to take over, just pulling the legs over and turning things over. But initially, there's a lot more of a kind of quad glute drive out of the gate. So you kind of get this action, you can really push off the ground with much lower impact forces. So here's a sequence I've been doing. I do basically a 5-cycle slow pace, inhale through the nose for 4, exhale through the nose for 4, and then I go fast, inhale through the nose for 4, exhale through the mouth for 4. And I'll go 10 to 20 minutes on that, and then I recover with 10 total marches. So let's just go through it quick. So here's the slow version. Here's the fast version. Then I recover with the march. Exhale up, inhale down, perfect form. And because I'm working against that band resistance too, it forces more hip extension, and I also get some lift on the back toe. All right, I love this, and I'll just go 10 minutes on that. So I get my recovery in during the marches, the 10 total marches, the 5 breath cycle of nasal only, more jog, and then nasal mouth, inhale, exhale, fast for 5 breath cycles. Again, I'd rock that for 10 to 20 straight minutes. I like doing, honestly, been doing 20 minutes of sled, and then I come in here, do 10 to 20 minutes in the water to finish it off for recovery, but also to work my running mechanics. So that's been my focus, also because it's so hot in the desert right now. I'm trying to manage the heat and make it work. The other option, you can, if you don't have the band set up, is you can actually do some sprints in the water. It feels like you're going really, really slow. Naomi's gonna start this. You can see me coming to you and then passing you. But at a slower pace, go nasal only. At a faster pace, do the 4-4 still, but I can mix between in through the nose, out through the mouth. Coming back. Really challenging in the deep end of the pool. You gotta fight for it, and then you can go a little bit quicker once it goes more shallow. I can also, if I wanted, do this backwards, which is super challenging, but lots of options. Be sure to post any questions in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Peace.